Installing apps on a Vizio Smart TV is different from Android TVs, which is why many people get confused when they try to download apps the usual way. In this video, I will show you the correct way to add or access apps on a Vizio Smart TV and what you can do if the app you want is not available. First, it's important to understand how apps work on a Vizio Smart TV. Vizio TVs are smart TVs, but they are not Android TVs, so they do not use the Google Play Store to download apps. On newer Vizio TVs, the system is called SmartCast. It shows a list of supported apps that update automatically, and in most cases, you cannot download completely new apps. On older Vizio TVs, the system is called Vizio Internet Apps, or VIA and VIA+. These models include a built-in app store where you can browse and install apps directly on the TV. Now let's see how to add apps on newer Vizio SmartCast TVs, which includes most models from 2016 and newer. Press the Home button or the V button on your remote to open the SmartCast home screen. Go to the Apps row or the Apps section, then browse the categories or use search to find the app you want. Highlight the app and press OK on the remote, then choose Add to Home Screen or open it if it is already available. The app will then appear in the Apps row so you can access it easily anytime. Now, let's go through how to install apps on older Vizio TVs that use Vizio Internet Apps, also called VA or VIA+. Press the V button on your remote to open the Vizio app menu. When the menu opens, select Connected TV Store or App Store. From there, you can browse the categories or open all apps to see the full list. When you find the app you want, highlight it and press OK. Then select Install App, or on some models you can hold the OK button to add the app to the My Apps section. Once the installation finishes, the app will appear in your apps list and you can open it from there. Now, let's talk about what you can do if the app you want is not available on your Vizio TV. If you cannot find the app in the apps list or the App Store, it usually means the app is not supported directly on Vizio Smart TVs. One option is to install the app on your phone. Open the app on your phone and tap the cast icon, then choose your Vizio TV from the list. The content will start playing on your TV. If you are using an iPhone, you can stream the app using AirPlay. Open the app on your phone, select AirPlay, and choose your Vizio TV to mirror the content. Another option is to connect a streaming device like a Fire TV stick or Roku stick to the HDMI port of your TV. These devices allow you to download many more apps. If you cannot install or access apps on your Vizio TV, there are a few things you can check. Make sure your TV is connected to the internet, because apps will not load or appear if the TV is offline. Open the network settings and confirm the connection is active. If the app section is not loading properly, restart the TV. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the power outlet for about a minute, then plug it back in and turn it on again. If an app you expect to see is missing, check whether your TV model supports that app, because the available apps can be different depending on the Vizio system version. If an app is already installed but it does not open, try opening it again from the Apps row after restarting the TV. If the app still does not appear in the store or apps list, you can use casting from your phone or streaming device, since SmartCast TVs cannot manually download unsupported apps. Now, let's see how to manage apps on the home screen. Go to the app you want to manage in the Apps row, press the star button on your remote to open the Options menu. From there, you can move the app, customize the app row, or remove the app from the home screen if you want to organize your apps. That's it for this video on how to install apps on a Vizio Smart TV. I hope this step-by-step guide helps you understand how apps work on Vizio TVs and how you can add or access them easily. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Have any questions, or did one of these methods work for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your feedback. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.